Hi everyone, my name is Guillaume. I'm currently a gameplay programmer. So I write a line of code, like every system work together for the player to be able to play it and to respond correctly to the input. At first, the game engine we use was part of a previous project, so we had to make it evolve to make it workable for what we want to do with Terrinoth. But in the previous project there was like no networking and multiplayer game, so this was quite challenging to add this to our project. It's not that simple. We had quite a complex system. In code it is difficult, but it's difficult in code to be easy for other people to work with. I explain that. Like, we use some bricks, and with this brick we create interaction with objects in the world. So designers use bricks to create conditional, like does this quest is at that state or this state. At the end, it's just playing with bricks to create interaction and be able to create opening doors, opening a chest, talking to a character. We have bricks to call an animation, a dialogue, giving gold to a player, and with that we create all interaction in the world. Generally speaking, in a tactical role-playing game, we use the statistics of every combat characters. So we look for agility or speed, and we create a list which will be the order of the turn. But in Terrinoth we didn't do that. To have a better control about the order, we just have a list. Designer choose which entity is in the list, and that's the order we will use for playing the combat every turn. But there's a twist. In our system we also have what we call a cluster for heroes, and a cluster is when you have two players at the same position or close initiative order, you can play which one you want at that time. So you can have more versatility of what you can do with the heroes. For that we have what we call on our side an influence map. To be simple, when we are in battle we have a square for every node in the combat where a player or enemy can be. And for this node, we create a value for each node for an action if it's important, interesting for the AI, etc. Like we have a move influence map, which determine if the player has a better position to move. We have damage, depending on the type of skill, if it's range, etc. We have several influence maps which stack together to create the final result, which we use to launch the action of the behavior.